2 weeks ago moi obi anim say Kojokrom secondary Kojokrom secondary and Takoradi railway line yeni yenuanom a omo Ghana Railway Company Limited ya activity line passenger service no sisia no passenger service no ye adwuma eno so ye achievement a obia o say ya at the moment no maybe so obia Ghana Railway Company Limited bia ne Ghana Railway Authority we should be proud of it because as of November 2023 I don't think the 2023 line no enye adwuma bi but just 2 weeks ago GRD and GRCF4 mefa akonya we so ada honorable Grace Ayensu ase on the MP for Kojokrom and Ekatan Obwai mefa akonya so ada Western Region Police Commander on the Maye Police Force to help us to protect the line abra ye adwuma meda Western Region Fire Service Force wase omune boa yen and ye cleaning all the stations ye ja to since 2023 mami fa akonya inda secondary prisons we got a prison for never boa yen and ye door ye it we military operation total military operation mami fa akonya so nda me Ghana assemblyman omo secondary Takoradi Ketan omunyina so contribute to cleaners me cleaning line also door yi wura line nyina so mami fa we na Western Region fo nyina ase say ba ye ba communal cleaning ye ba communal repair you see repair of the turnout repair of the tracks repair of the train as is here no ye nuanu mo Western Region no sisia no secondary Kojokrom train no ye adwuma enti look President Mama ba ye no enche but trains are working in Greater Accra region, Eastern region, Volta region, and now Western region. The idea is that I am confident, inshallah, that by 2028, train ebekwa Western North, na akotaka, na akodunkwa, ye pima kwa Central region. Ye wieswa, ne yasamba, ye can say, ye niyamo mo UMAT. Sisia no Ghana Railway Company Limited, School of Railway Infrastructure Division or Department. UMAT for no. We are almost at an agreement to sign what we call it a collaboration agreement between both Ghana Railway Development Authority and UMAT. For the railway sector to thrive, we need to build the human capacity. What do you say? Offer the way we are going now. If you go to advanced countries, we are now pushing in the 4th industrial revolution in terms of railway infrastructure division. In Tiuba Ghana, the way railway infrastructure, we are still at, let's say, first revolution of the railway revolution. In terms of industrial revolution, but we need to build the human capacity, especially in the railway engineering, railway management, railway operation, signal and command control center, and most importantly, safety. And to do that, we need to build a future, what we call a workforce. I will say, university need to be training. And some of our staff and directors, including myself, we are going to start lecturing and collaborating at the University of, what we call it, at UMAT. Yes, to ensure, say, railway engineering, these students will be given avenue for them to come to the authority to do internships, as well as we are going to give avenues to employ them. That way, that we are going to have a workforce capable of adapting to the future needs, future capability, and most importantly, future technology. Because right now, the old system of traffic management is not mechanical view. So we need to look at how we are going to train people in signaling and command control center. And for the past 15 months, authority, we've done a lot. But that is just the beginning. We have not started yet because I don't want people to think, we are just there. I am also proud to say, now we are advanced. More or less advanced. For the first time in the history of the Republic of Ghana, President Mahama will be the first president to introduce container trains. Trains that for container, edifi tema edifi somenya, ede batema habo. Ni atwe we never boa ame di congest road. We improve the environmental conditions. Again, we are going to improve the longevity of our roads and the whole life cycle cost of our roads. And the Ghana Railway Development Authority, we are almost there. Too much. By July of this year, Ghana for say train a bar, air container, FE road in so, and the container it me for 20. 30
train for container bear 20
30. It means say carbon footprint, if we one train can take 20 we are reducing our carbon footprint on the road by 20 trucks by a factor of 20. And look, that will come, and once that comes, Temat to Mpakadan will reach its full utilization. Passenger freight, it will be working. Then the focus, the energy, the whole mainstay together with the board members, management, staff, Ministry of Transport, our focus will be on the Western Railway line. You push it, they come off, just to make sure the railway can extend beyond that. So these are some of the reforms that His Excellency the President, since just 2015, 2025, 7th of January, introduced to our railway sector.
Okay. Doc, ma'am, 4 minutes, 32.